Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best MX8 Elite pool cleaner parts is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining a pristine swimming environment, ensuring your cleaner operates at peak efficiency and keeps your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. When your MX8 Elite starts showing signs of wear or reduced performance, it's crucial to identify and replace the necessary parts promptly to avoid further damage and costly repairs down the line, ultimately saving you time and money while prolonging the life of your valuable pool cleaning investment. Number 5. Zodiac Flex Power Turbine Engine Assembly R05249000. Keep your pool cleaner running at its best. This essential part maintains optimal suction and cleaning power, ensuring a spotless pool every time. Designed to work seamlessly with your Zodiac suction cleaner, whether it operates at full or low flow. Installation is simple and requires minimal tools. Experience longer lifespan and consistently better performance. It ensures proper suction and overall cleaning efficiency for models MX6, MX8, and their Elite versions. Avoid the frustration of imitation parts. Using genuine components guarantees durability and longevity, giving you more time to enjoy your pool. Engineered to exact specifications, this part ensures a long life and exceptional performance. It's designed to enhance your comfort, enjoyment, and peace of mind. What we like. This turbine engine assembly is the heart of your suction cleaner, ensuring optimal performance. If you want to maintain the powerful suction and efficiency of your Zodiac cleaner, this genuine part is the best choice. It's designed for durability and easy installation, so you can get back to enjoying a clean pool with minimal fuss. What people say. Revitalized my MX8 very easy to install OEM part, fixed slow running MX8, part of a spring tune-up. The new tracks did make an improvement on the MX8 speed and climbing ability, well worth the cost. More importantly, now it will climb the wall to the top and clean the water line. Yes, the engine in your Zodiac Baracuda gets worn out over time. But I was surprised at how much the engine replacement increased performance. But after installing this new engine, my unit is climbing the walls and cleaning the floor like never before. Number 4. AMI parts are 05261000 MX8 MX6 Pool Cleaner Replacement Tire Track Wheel, 2 PCS. Introducing the R05261000 Replacement Tire Track Wheel, designed specifically for your MX8 and MX6 pool cleaners. This package includes 2 pieces, ensuring a longer service life for your equipment. These track wheels have an inner diameter of 5.5 inches, an outer diameter of 6 inches, and a width of 2 inches. Please ensure these dimensions match your needs before purchasing. Installation is a breeze, requiring no special tools. You can have your pool cleaner back in action in just 5 to 10 minutes. Crafted from high-quality rubber, these replacement tracks offer superior grip. This will significantly improve your pool cleaner's performance and efficiency. These tracks are suitable for most famous brands and are designed for easy replacement. We offer professional after-sales support, so feel free to reach out with any questions. Purchase with confidence knowing that we stand behind our product. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you and resolve any issues promptly. What we like. These replacement tire tracks are designed to give your pool cleaner a new lease on life. If your current tracks are worn out and causing your cleaner to slip, this pack of 2 will provide superior grip and better maneuverability. They are easy to install and offer a longer service life, making them a great value for keeping your cleaner moving effectively. What people say. The MX8 Elite is a great pool cleaner for a variety of pool surfaces, including tile, concrete, and vinyl. It has a powerful suction that can pick up even the smallest debris, such as sand and dirt. The MX8 Elite is also very easy to set up and use, with no complicated instructions or tools required. Number 3. Polaris MAXX Automatic Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Polaris MAXX, designed to clean every inch of your in-ground pool. From the floor to the waterline, it handles it all. Its active scrubbing brushes tackle tough, stuck-on debris with concentrated power. This ensures a spotless clean, directing particles straight to the suction inlet. Experience effortless cleaning with advanced halo technology. It effectively removes fine silt and sand, as well as larger debris, thanks to its innovative design. Enjoy enhanced movement with smart, multi-directional navigation. Powerful turbines provide unsurpassed climbing ability, ensuring comprehensive coverage. This cleaner is built to last and operate efficiently. Its hydraulic design works at lower flow rates, and features like replaceable brushes and a regulator valve optimize performance and reduce wear. What we like. This premium suction side cleaner offers advanced cleaning capabilities for all in-ground pools. If you're looking for a cleaner that tackles stubborn debris with active scrubbing and navigates intelligently, this is a fantastic option. Its Halo technology ensures efficient removal of various debris types, providing a spotless clean from floor to waterline. What people say. The Mx8 Elite pool cleaner parts are designed for efficient cleaning, effectively removing debris from the pool. These parts are known for their durable construction, ensuring longevity and reliable performance in maintaining pool cleanliness. Number 2. Zodiac FRV 100 Flow Regulator Valve. Ensure your pool cleaner operates at peak performance. This replacement part is designed to perfectly fit your Zodiac MX6 and MX8 series cleaners. Experience intelligent flow control that automatically adjusts to maintain optimal suction. This protects your cleaner's components and ensures efficient operation. Keep your pool sparkling without interruption. It provides a stable water flow, allowing your cleaner to continuously remove debris from every corner. Get your pool cleaner back in action in minutes. Installation is simple and requires no special tools or expertise, just a quick click into place. This essential component is specifically engineered for in-ground pools. Please verify your pool type and cleaner model for the best fit. What we like. This flow regulator valve is crucial for maintaining consistent performance and longevity of your Zodiac MX series cleaner. If your cleaner's performance is inconsistent or you're concerned about wear and tear, this part automatically adjusts water flow. It ensures stable operation and continuous cleaning, making it an essential component for in-ground pools. What people say. Works perfectly with the pool vacuum as described. Replaced the original OEM. No issues. Works like new. This replacement fits my MX** perfectly and works like a charm. Number 1. Zodiac Baracuda MX8 Suction Pool Cleaner Rebuild Kit. Is your Zodiac Baracuda MX8 not performing at its best? This complete rebuild kit is designed to bring it back to life. Get your pool cleaner running like new again. This kit includes all the necessary parts to fully rebuild your suction pool cleaner. It's a comprehensive solution for restoring optimal performance. Everything you need is right here. Don't let a worn-out cleaner disrupt your pool maintenance. This rebuild kit makes restoration straightforward and effective. Enjoy a cleaner pool with minimal hassle. Keep your pool consistently clean with a well-maintained cleaner. This kit ensures your device operates at peak efficiency. It's the smart choice for ongoing pool care. Crafted with durability in mind, the components in this kit are built to last. They are designed to withstand the demands of pool cleaning. Invest in longevity for your equipment. Protect your investment in your pool cleaner by using quality replacement parts. This rebuild kit helps extend the life of your device. Ensure it continues to serve you well for years to come. What we like. This complete rebuild kit is the ultimate solution for bringing your Baracuda MX8 suction pool cleaner back to peak condition. If your cleaner is showing signs of age or reduced performance, this kit provides all the necessary parts to restore it. It's the most comprehensive way to ensure your cleaner operates like new again, saving you the cost of a replacement. What people say. The installation was easy. I only needed to use a screwdriver. Once the parts were replaced on the pool vacuum, it ran like new. The parts are exact replacement parts. This kit has everything I needed and the cleaner is running like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.